Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best Moen Faucet Cartridge is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in your kitchen or bathroom, silently ensuring every drip is controlled and every flow is smooth, and today we're diving deep into what makes a Moen cartridge a superior choice for reliability and longevity, helping you maintain that perfect water pressure and prevent those annoying leaks that can disrupt your daily routine. Number 5. Moen 1225 Magnum Faucet Cartridge Replacement Kit. Introducing the Moen 1225 Magnum One-Handle Faucet Cartridge Replacement Kit. This genuine Moen part is designed for your kitchen and bathroom faucets. It features an updated solid color design, ensuring the same great fit and function you expect. This replacement maintains compatibility with supported Moen one-handle faucets. This cartridge is compatible with most single-handle kitchen and bathroom faucets from Moen. Please note it excludes PosiTemp and ExactTemp valves. Easily fix common faucet issues like leaks or stiffness. Replacing the worn cartridge restores proper water flow and temperature control. Installation is simple with the included components. It comes with instructions and a twist cap tool to help you remove the old cartridge. Engineered for long-lasting performance, this durable cartridge ensures reliable operation for everyday use in your kitchen and bathroom. What we like. This cartridge features an updated solid color design for easy identification and fits most single-handle Moen faucets. It's designed for DIY installation with included tools. If you have a standard Moen single-handle faucet and are looking for a reliable replacement that's easy to install yourself, this is a great choice. What people say. The cartridge is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and fix the dripping faucet immediately. Number 4. Moen 1224 Replacement Faucet Cartridge Kit. Ensure the longevity of your faucet with this genuine Moen replacement cartridge. It's the OEM guaranteed part directly from the manufacturer. This cartridge is specifically designed to fit most double-handle Moen faucets. It's also compatible with most tub and shower systems. Designed with accessibility in mind, this part complies with Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) specifications. Enjoy ease of use and safety. Crafted from durable plastic, this imported cartridge is built to last. It offers reliable performance for your plumbing needs. Rest assured with your purchase, as this product is backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. We stand behind the quality of our parts. What we like. This is a genuine Moen replacement part specifically designed for double-handle faucets and tub showers. It's ADA compliant and backed by Moen's limited lifetime warranty. If you prioritize OEM quality, accessibility features, and long-term peace of mind with a warranty, this is the cartridge for you. What people say. This cartridge is a perfect fit for my Moen faucet, and it fixed the dripping issue immediately. The installation was straightforward, and the water flow is now smooth and consistent. It's a genuine Moen part, so I was confident in its quality and compatibility. Number 3. Enhon 2-Pack Dual Seal Cartridge Replacement for Moen 1225. Tired of leaky faucets? Introducing our Dual Seal Cartridge Replacement, designed for a perfect fit. It's the ideal solution for your bathroom and shower faucets. These cartridges are compatible with Moen 1225 and 1225B single-handle faucets. Make your faucet upgrade process easier, more convenient, and save valuable time. Each package includes 2 faucet cartridges, 2 retainer clips, and 2 white twisting caps. Everything you need for a hassle-free replacement. Crafted with durable brass construction, this replacement kit is built to last for years. The included twist cap makes removing old and installing new cartridges a breeze. Improve your faucet's overall performance and say goodbye to annoying leaks and drips. These new cartridges will ensure your faucets run smoothly. Stop replacing your entire faucet. Our cartridges offer an effective solution to common faucet problems, extending the life of your fixtures without compromising quality. What we like. This is a 2-pack replacement cartridge compatible with Moen 1225 single-handle faucets, featuring a dual seal design for leak prevention. It's made of durable brass for longevity. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution to fix leaks in your bathroom or shower faucets and want a spare on hand, this value pack is ideal. What people say. The cartridge is a genuine Moen part, ensuring compatibility and proper function with Moen faucets. Installation was straightforward, and the cartridge effectively stopped the leak, restoring the faucet's performance. The durable construction of the cartridge suggests it will provide long-lasting service. Number 2. Essential Values 1225 Replacement Cartridge for Moen. Introducing the best value replacement cartridge compatible with Moen 1225. We've engineered a cost-effective solution to keep your faucets running longer without sacrificing performance or quality. This is a professional fit replacement designed specifically for your one-handle bathroom faucets. No need to replace your entire fixture, just pop out the old cartridge and replace it with our aftermarket version. Our replacement cartridge features durable brass construction for long-lasting use. It includes a white twist cap to assist in the easy removal and installation of old and new cartridges. This faucet cartridge is tested and inspected in the USA. You won't notice the difference in quality or performance. Buy with confidence. We offer excellent customer support. Essential Values delivers high quality and excellent service. What we like. This is an aftermarket replacement cartridge designed to be a cost-effective alternative for Moen 1225 single-handle faucets. It offers a professional fit, durable brass construction, and easy installation with a twist cap tool. If you're on a budget and need a reliable, USA-tested replacement for your kitchen or bathroom sink faucet without compromising quality, this is a smart pick. What people say. The cartridge was a perfect fit and easy to install. It fixed the dripping faucet and restored smooth operation. The quality of the material seems durable and well made. Number 1. Enhon 3-pack Faucet Cartridge Replacement Kit for Moen 1224. Get a great value with this 3-pack replacement kit. It's designed to be compatible with Moen 1224 and most two-handle faucets, ensuring pure and safe water. Experience unrestricted water flow and say goodbye to unwanted leaks. This replacement ensures your shower runs smoothly and efficiently every time. Built to last with high-quality brass and plastic. Its durable construction ensures consistent performance and withstands daily wear and tear. Replacing your old shower cartridge is simple. With just a few easy steps, you can quickly install this compatible cartridge yourself. Specifically designed for a perfect fit, measuring 2.58 inches. It's made to seamlessly integrate with your compatible Moen Faucet Cartridge series. What we like. This kit offers a 3-pack of replacement cartridges compatible with Moen 1224 double-handle faucets and tub showers. It's made from durable brass and plastic to improve water flow and prevent leaks. If you have multiple double-handle faucets that need repair or want to ensure you have replacements readily available for future issues, this value pack is an excellent solution. What people say. The cartridge is a direct replacement and works perfectly. Easy to install and fix the dripping faucet immediately. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.